Do you like learning how things are made? Erie County Community College's Industrial Manufacturing Technology program might be for you. This program will prepare you for high-demand careers in operating and programming computer numerical controlled CNC machines.
Our program is built to help students become top-notch machinists in every sense of the word. We believe that a solid foundation of the skills and processes is what's best for our students. By hands-on experiences, students not only get the basics, but leave having a well-rounded foundation.
You can complete this program within 3 semesters at EC3 and be ready to land your first job in the industry or level up in your career. Our CNC program is offered in the evenings, Monday through Thursday, so that this course fits around your schedule.
In the first semester of this program, we introduce students to the basics of industrial manufacturing technology. This is intended to help students build upon their understanding of machining and begin to feel confident in using the machines properly. In the second semester is us building on what we know. We're going to dive into measurement and CNC programming. This is where we will get that hands-on experience so that they can begin to really hone their skills as machinists. The last semester is about us fine-tuning the skills we have been working on. Our students have enough experience at this point to be confident in troubleshooting machining processes.
Whether you are new to this field or want to better your skills, this program is built for every level. Our program begins this spring, and we want you there. Space is limited. Apply today at ec3pa.org/apply. For more information about our program, email us at information@ec3pa.org.